Easy to make, impossible to resist. This avocado salad is the perfect choice for a delicious family dinner. Take half a ripe but firm avocado and cut it into delicate cubes. This is the star ingredient of our salad, bringing creaminess and a unique flavor. Transfer the avocado cubes to a large serving dish, which will be the main container for the salad. Tell me if you've ever made a recipe like this before. Next, add 100 grams of sweet corn. Now cut a tomato into small pieces. Choose a ripe tomato with a firm texture and vibrant color to ensure a naturally sweet taste and juiciness that will make all the difference. Add the chopped tomato to the dish with the other ingredients. The next ingredient is half a yellow bell pepper. Cut it into cubes or thin strips as you prefer and add it to the salad. The yellow bell pepper will add a touch of freshness, as well as make the salad more colorful and inviting. Also, cut half a cucumber into slices or cubes, depending on your preference. The cucumber is refreshing and will bring a delicious crunch. Add it to the dish with the other ingredients. To add even more flavor, add 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion, parsley for a touch of freshness, a pinch of salt, and squeeze the juice of half a lime on top. For the dressing, in a small bowl, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, and half a tablespoon of mustard for a slightly spicy and tangy touch. Mix everything very well until you get a smooth dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad in the dish, and carefully mix everything together. It's important to stir gently so as not to mash the avocado cubes, preserving the texture and presentation of the dish. And now our salad is ready to be served. This recipe is perfect for a family dinner, either as a side dish or as a main course for those looking for something light. In addition, it's a great option to surprise your guests at special occasions, or simply to brighten the day with a healthy and flavorful meal. If you're looking for a light, nutritious, and flavorful option, this avocado salad will win everyone over at the table. It's amazing how simple ingredients we have at home can create wonderful recipes. The ingredients we've added work together to transform into an incredibly delicious dish. Serve immediately and enjoy all the compliments at the table.